What's up, YouTube? So I'm just get right into the video, and as you can see a big difference between these shoes. This one, the netting is yellowing. It's all yellow. The tab on the tab on the sneaker, sorry, is all dirty. It's a lot of paint chip, a lot, and the leather's all dirty. And then go to this shoe. The netting looks new. The leather looks clean. I fixed the paint, and the tab is clean. And I'm gonna be making a series of videos of how to transform this shoe into this shoe. And I'll show you how to get the creasing out. You can see the difference. How to make the netting new again. How to clean the tab, and how to clean the leather. And how to, of course, repaint the midsole on the Pure 1E4s from 2006. That's about it. I'm going to show you some side-to-side comparisons. Before, after. Before, after. Before, after. Before, after. Before, after. And that's about it.